Hello friends, welcome to Civilbysaurabh YouTube channel. Today topic is calculate 1 meter cube brick quantity. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then first, mortar ratio is 1:4, 1 part of cement and 4 part of sand. Then mortar thickness is equal to 10 mm. Density of cement is equal to 1440 meter cube. Then size of brick is equal to 190 mm into 90 mm into 90 mm. This is a without mortar size of brick is equal to 0.19 into 0.09 into 0.09. Then volume of brick is equal to 0.001539 meter cube. Volume of brick is equal to 0.001539 meter cube. Then calculate the one brick volume with mortar is equal to 200 mm into 100 mm into 100 mm. 10 mm mortar thickness is equal to 0.2 into 0.1 into 0.1 is equal to 0.002 meter cube. How many brick in 1 meter cube? Then number of bricks is equal to total volume upon volume of brick with mortar. Total volume is 1 and volume of brick with mortar is 0.002. The answer will be 500 numbers of brick required. Then calculate the 500 brick volume is equal to 0.19 into 0.09 into 0.09 into 500. This is number of bricks is equal to 0.7695 meter cube. This is the total volume of 500 brick. Thank you so much.